Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get unlimited coins and points in FIFA Mobile. As you can see here, I have two apps. One is the original one and the other is the modded one that works on any Android or iOS device. I'm going to show you later how you can install it without downloading any file. But first of all, I'm going to show you how it works. So this is a modified version that when you open it, by default you will get a limited amount of points, gems and coins, okay? So as you can see here, just as we access inside the game, the amount of coins, gems and points will start growing. And there is another cool feature. I cannot access to the market yet, but I'm going to show you now another feature. That is, for example, we can go here on the store, and as you can see, we have like all the points packs. Just press the tiny pack and it will say purchase success, and it will be instantly added to your account, as you can see here. And we can like press as many times as we want. We can like recharge your account with 1 million. And then we can go here on the gems and just buy more gems by using the points. So as soon as you press at the pack, you will see that the amount of points will be deducted and the amount of gems added. So this way we can get like unlimited coins, gems and everything inside FIFA Mobile. This is super useful, and yeah, so thanks to this we'll get unlimited resources and we will be able to play without any limit. So if you like this mod, I'm now going to show you how you can install it. First of all, open your browser and then access the official website of the. When you access here on the third position, you will see FIFA Mobile. Just press on it and then press on Start Injection. And this site, what it will do is basically install this mod directly into your Android or iOS device without you having to download any external file, okay? This is because it will create an extension through the browser that you are using that will contain all the necessary files. So when it's created, you will be able to execute it like a normal app. So this is so cool, guys. And after that, you will be redirected to this page right here, which basically as you can see, it tells you that you need to install 2 free apps. They are sponsored apps that help the developers of this mod to keep making updates. So all you need to do is just press that one app from here, just read the instructions, then open it and complete those instructions inside the app. In my case, I just choose Solitaire, which instructions were playing for 30 seconds, and then I can close the app and go into the next one, okay? This also helps preventing the bots from stealing the files from the server, so it's really needed to do this step, but after this you will get a limited amount of points and coins in FIFA Mobile. So when you're done with this, you can close all the apps, go back to this page and just refresh it, and it will pop up here this message that says app injected. This means that the app has been already installed into our device. So that's pretty much all, guys. I hope that you like this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next video.